Level approvals and DCP awards. First off, why the home club nomenclature? In Basecamp, a Toastmasters can only exist in one club. Whether you belong to 1 or 15 clubs, when logging into Basecamp, you have to choose which club to log into. After logging in, the system will label that club as your home club. You can only communicate with members of your home club inside of Basecamp. That includes feedback, badges, requests. When you mark a path level complete, email will be sent to only one club, your home club Basecamp manager. Level approvals and DCP awards. A 30,000 foot answer. Pathways level completion approval is a separate function from DCP awards. Level completion approval is for the benefit of the individual members. DCP awards is for the benefit of the clubs. When a member completes a level, the system does not automatically award DCP points to any club. Steps to level approval. Note, approvals only needed for level completion, not projects. Complete all projects within a level. Level completion activate button will appear. Click on burgundy button, activate, launch, mark complete. Email will be sent to your club's Basecamp manager. Wait for your Basecamp manager approval. Here's a picture. You got all the check marks, mark complete, and the email will be sent. Steps to apply DCP points. DCP points are managed in Club Central. Can be completed by any club officer. Log into Toastmasters.org, go to Club Central, choose Submit Education Awards, choose the appropriate member's name and the type of awards, then submit. It is impossible for an officer to approve their own awards. Here's a picture. Club Central, click on Submit Education Awards. Then choose the appropriate member and the appropriate awards. Review. Pathways level completion approval is a separate function from DCP points. Level completion approval is for the benefit of the individual members. DCP awards is for the benefit of the clubs. When a member completes a level, the system does not automatically award DCP points to any club. Interesting features. Member can apply their awards to any club that they belong to. Basecamp and Club Central are not connected. A multi-club member can be logged into Club A, known as Home Club in Basecamp language, and simultaneously have an officer in Club B submit the award to Club B in Club Central, meaning no need to log in and out of clubs in Basecamp. Members can hold on to completed level indefinitely. They may want to coordinate with other members. They may want to apply awards to the next TI year. A lower level award has to be awarded first, meaning I've completed the presentation mastery path, thus having 5 awards to be submitted. I must submit PM1 first, before PM2, before PM3. Suggestions. Members, to avoid miscommunication, please notify your club officer responsible for applying DCP points when you want your earned credit to be applied. Club officers, to avoid misapplying DCP credits, please wait until you have clear instructions from the members. For more useful tutorials, go to tipathways.com.